2023 Volkswagen Golf GTI, and we're going to check the cabin filter today. It's going to be located behind the glove box, so we need to lower it. If we look at the glove box, there's going to be some stoppers on the sides. Okay, there's two of them. To disconnect them, you're just going to push this in like that, and there's one on this side here. Let's push this one in here. Push it up, then you should be able to lower the glove box. Okay. After you get lowered, this is the door that holds the cabin filter. Alright, so you got to take this off. Alright, to get it off, I'm going to pry down here in the corner right here. These little tabs I'm going to push down. They're going to be kind of stiff. You might have to use a screwdriver to help you out initially. They are kind of hard to do with just, especially with one freaking hand. But undo them like that and pull towards you. This middle one is a tough dude. Alright, so once you get them down, you can see how they kind of work. And then we're just going to take it off. Notice the airflow direction of the filter. When you get your new one, when you put it back in, you're going to want to put it the same way. Here's a Denso part number for you. If you want to use Denso ones, I'll have a link down in the description box for the air filter too. Alright, we took this one out. This one's not too dirty. It does have some leaves in it. I should just go ahead and just knock some of those out. We're not changing it today. We just want to check it and show you how to do it. But this is a nice filter. It's got the charcoal in it. And we just go ahead and put everything back the way we took it apart. Alright, so to get this door back on here, I do need to show you one more thing. That it has a damper right here that we're going to need to put back. If you see it right here, just put it back inside. Just push it back up like that, okay? It still works and everything. And then we just push the glove box up. And it's good to go.